Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to cut your video with using Filmora 9. So let's get started our video. At first I will request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay, start our video. At first you open your Filmora 9, then import media file from here. Okay, then import your video file, then open. Okay, look at this is my video and I want to cut this video. Then
Bye, have a great time.
make it your, then match to media. Look at this, it's your timeline, and you can zoom in or zoom out from here. And if you want to cut from here, if you want to cut from starting point, then select your position, then click on this cut option. Look at this is cut option, and tap it. Okay, then if you want to from starting or last, which one you want, select it. Then look at this is delete option, tap it, and your video from delete from first. And if you want to delete from last, then select your position, then click on this cut option and select it and click delete option. You delete from the last. In this way you can cut your video with using Filmora 9. Thank you everyone for watching my video.